Hello friends, today we are going to start one new grammar topic, prepositions. Definitely one question is based on this preposition in our HSC board exam. So let's start. The main general objective of learning preposition is to enhance communication skills. Instead of learning the or enhancing the communication skill, we have to make the learner understand the preposition and its kinds. I know that from the fifth standard you are going to start the study of the prepositions, and you are know about the use of words like on, under, below, above, etc. These words are not new to you. Prepositions. Do you know? Do you have any idea about the prepositions? Which are the prepositions? Here some prepositions I have given here with the help of the picture. Under, over, after, before, since, from, out, over, behind, about, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. These are the some prepositions. How to use the preposition in the sentences? Look at that. What is the position of the ball with the box? In the first picture, the ball is in the box. Second one, ball is on the box, ball is under the box, ball is next to the box, ball is behind the box, ball is in front of the box, and ball is between the box. It shows the position of the ball. When we are showing the position of the ball, that time we are using different prepositions: in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. These are the some prepositions. Means what? What is the definition of the preposition? What all those words shows? A preposition is a word which shows the relation between noun or a pronoun and some other words in sentence. Look at the examples. Ridhima lives in Delhi. Another sentence, her mother is proud of her success. In this first sentence, Ridhima is the noun and Delhi is also noun. Here, which is the preposition in is used, it shows the relationship between the two nouns, Ridhima and the Delhi, as well as the relationship of the in is also with the verb to, lived. In the second sentence, here, her is a preposition which is used instead of the Ridhima. And here in the first sentence, of is a preposition, and the second sentence, in the first sentence, in is the preposition, and in the second sentence, of is the preposition. Now we are going to discuss the prepositions. There are near about 150 prepositions in English, but today we are not going to discuss all those 150 prepositions, but we are going to discuss some of them. About, above, across, after, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, but, by, down, inside, into, near, off, on, outside, past, since, throughout, to, towards, under, upon, via, with, within, without. These are the some prepositions in English. According to the words consist in the sentence, there are two kinds of prepositions, or these prepositions are divided into two kinds. First, simple prepositions, and second one is the compound prepositions, which is also called as the prepositional phrase. What do you mean by simple prepositions? Simple prepositions, prepositions that consist of only one word, which is, for example, in, on, at, with, against. These all are the only one word which is used as the preposition. In the second type of preposition, which is the compound preposition, which is called as also prepositional phrase, means what? Prepositions that consist of two or more words. For example, instead of, in the middle of, this side of, on the phone, on your way. When we look towards these prepositions, we come to know that in each and every preposition, there is two or more than two words consist in this preposition. Instead of that, according to the purpose or what it shows, there are another three types of prepositions. So all these three prepositions are come under the three types, which are the first one, prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and third one, prepositions of direction. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the prepositions of the place. Some prepositions show where something happens. They are called prepositions of place. For example, some geese flew off their house. John was hiding inside the wardrobe. There were trees beside the river. I have a friend who lives in Russia. Geeta was sitting under a tree. In those sentences of inside, beside, in, under, these are the prepositions. It shows place. Second type of preposition, which is the prepositions of time. Some prepositions show when something happens. They are called prepositions of time. Keep in mind the word when, meaning it shows time. For example, school starts at 9 o'clock. We are going to the zoo on Saturday. I visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. I will do my homework before dinner. Look at that. At, on, during, by, before. All those shows or indicate the time. So these are called as the prepositions of time. Third type of preposition, which is the prepositions of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They are called prepositions of direction. It shows direction. For example, the boy chased after each other. The football is rolling down the hill. A man is walking with his dog along the river bank. The freeway goes right through the city. We are traveling towards Mumbai. In those sentences, after, down, along, through, towards, these all are the prepositions which indicate the direction. Instead of that, I have given some examples, which is solved examples for the betterment of the practice of your study. I have given 5 prepositions. We have to choose the proper preposition or suitable preposition at the suitable place. The London Bridge is built on the Thames. The yoga classes are held in the park. Devika dived into the pool. The Christmas party was organized at the club. I am leaving for Australia today. This on, in, into, at, for, these are the prepositions. But you have to find out these all prepositions comes in which category. Here is another exercise for you, which is, but all exercises are solved but you have to read it carefully and understand how the particular preposition is used in this particular places. Radhika is upset over her result. Before leaving for a journey, I check that my suitcases are packed. A flock of geese flew above the farm. On a foggy night, we could not see beyond the lake. The plane was hovering over the Delhi airport as it did not get permission to land. These all sentences over, for, above, beyond, over. These are the proper prepositions are used at the proper place. Then you have to think that how these prepositions are suitable for the particular place. Here also we have given the pair of the preposition which we have to choose the right. The train is passing through a tunnel. We will be going for a holiday towards the end of the month. There is temple beside our house. Besides acting, Amir Khan started directing film also. Children love to sit in front of the television and watch cartoon movies. So like that, here is one more activity which is given for your practice. You have to do the all activities which is given for your practice. Read it carefully and think that all those prepositions how they have used, and also you have to find out the in which category this comes. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.